Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change your nickname on Facebook. Friends, please put your likes, write comments at the end of the video and subscribe to this channel. And let me and you get started on this topic. Open Facebook on your phone. Then in the bottom right corner, go to the menu section. Now when you get to the menu, in the top right corner, click on the gear to go to Settings and Privacy. Here you will need to go to the Meta Account Center and then go to Profiles. And then select the Facebook page where you would like to change your nickname. And then click on the name. And here now, as you can see, you will be able to change the first name, middle name, and last name that you would like to change. Next, on any line, write the changes that you would like to make. After that, click on Next. Now click Save Changes. And next you will see several options on how your new name will be displayed on Facebook. And you can choose any of the options and then click Save Changes. And in just a few seconds, your nickname on Facebook will be changed. Friends, this is the simple way you can change your Facebook nickname. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, write comments, and also put your likes. See you soon.